Thank you. I'm sorry I had a cold. First of all, you know, my group is not making this year, but next year. And I would like to do this to help out for Tetua and a KP. So I volunteer to myself, my daughter, my granddaughter over here, to do the Tawalunga. Tawalunga is a money dance of the Samoa. Whatever you have in your pocket right now, you know, not coins, the dollars, because this is going to be bigger next year. So thank you so much, and talofa.
Talofa. She said, no make fun of her. She told me, you don't make fun of me when I go up down. When do we make fun of anybody? We don't do that kind of stuff. What's wrong with you? All right, folks, from Heart of Polynesia, show your love for Miss Tussie Alston. Once again, this is a Samoan Siva. It's called a Tawalunga. You guys love what you see through money. All proceeds will go to benefit Tamaivari and Tetua. Please show your love, folks. Show your love. Siva, Siva Mai, Siva Mai, Siva, Siva Solo, Siva Guru Malano, Awe Ata Ata Maya, Ata Maya, Maya, Ata Tuaso, Siva, Siva Solo, Siva Guru Malano. Let me hear you whisper. Once again, we love the kind that folds, and we love the kind that jiggles. If you guys know the Samoan Siva, come on up and help us out here. To my Laulima, Atata Sapoa, Elba, Siva, Siva, Siva Maria, Maria, Tato Aso, Siva, Siva Solo, Siva, Siva Maralo, Awe, Tata Maria, Tata Maria, Maria, Tato Aso, Siva, Siva Solo, Siva, Siva Maralo, Awe, Tata Maria. Maya, Maya, Tato Aso, Tata Solo, Agayo, Maralo, So Maya, 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 let me see you smile. Let me put my arms around you for a little while. To my Laulima, Atato Samoa. Once again from Heart of Polynesia, another round of applause for Tussie Alston.